I was asked by my friend to go play a game of hockey, and I'd only skated once in my life, and I was warned not to even go out on the ice. But I thought, what's the worst thing that can happen? You know, my butt will hurt the next day, I could fall a lot. And I thought, you know, I'll make a lot of people laugh. This will be a lot of fun.
I'm a former police officer. I'm also a veteran of Operation Iraqi Freedom and Enduring Freedom. And over the years, that lifestyle that has taken its toll on my knees.
I am a 58-year-old, in great shape person. Health has been a key part of my life for a very long period of time. And about 3 weeks ago, I severely damaged my right knee.
Broke my leg in 3 places. I have 8 pins in my ankle now. But I wake up every day with stiffness and pain.
I have torn ligaments in both knees, and I live with excruciating pain daily. Some days to the point where I can't walk, which is why I have Eva. She keeps me from falling down.
I could not absolutely walk from the bathroom to the bedroom. I mean, the pain was just so excruciatingly hurtful that you really couldn't even blow on the knee. I'm going to tell you, it was amazing. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
I've had ongoing pain in the left side of my neck. It made sleeping very uncomfortable, not continuous hours of sleep at night usually, a lot of tossing and turning with my pillows, radiating pain from the ball of my spine, I believe, out through the other parts of my back.
You know, when you're in pain, you know, the only thing you want is relief. Muscle pain or a strain, all you want is relief. And you'll do almost anything for relief.
Pain is an insidious process. It affects every aspect of your life. The quality of your sleep suffers. All the activities you do during the day suffer, from work to your leisure activities to the time you spend with your children. It changes the way you see the world. It begins to change your personality. And those who care most about you, the people around you, your family, your friends, they are impacted dramatically.
When Rick Basil contacted me and he said, you know, I think you should try these PowerStrips because they're all natural, they're not a pill, they're not a prescription, and I think they can give you relief. And I said, I'm in. So I put it on that night, I put it right on my scar, and when I woke up the next morning, I can't even express to you how excited I was. I woke up and I went, oh my gosh, I don't have any more stiffness. It's gone. The pain relief was absolutely amazing in one day.
When I got the PowerStrips, I put them on my legs, right above my knees. Within 1 hour, I was pain-free. Now, I've lived with this for 8 to 10 years. It hurts going up and down stairs just day to day. I can't function the way I'd like to. Within an hour of taking this, the pain being gone, I actually ran upstairs when my wife called me, and it dawned on me there was no pain.
And I placed the strip on my knee. I'm watching TV, and again, I don't know exactly when the pain subsided because it wasn't like an abrupt type situation. It was very, you know, it was very casual. And I noticed that for once, within 2 weeks, there was no pain. Talk about being a miraculous situation. I was totally blown away.
I placed a PowerStrip, the first one, on the actual pain, and the first day I felt some relief. I wasn't real certain if it was a PowerStrip or I was just lucky that day. However, I decided to put it on where I believe the pain originated from, which was on that ball on my spine, the second patch, which would be the 3rd day. And the relief I felt at that point over that next 24-hour period was phenomenal. And as you can see, this wasn't even what I put the patch on for, but I can do this now. I'm happy. The patch works. My pain is gone.
And when you look at this pain epidemic worldwide, 1.5 billion people suffer from pain on a daily basis. I'm Dr. Adam Saucedo, and I want to talk to you about PowerStrips by FG Xpress. And in particular, I want to focus on the germanium that's been incorporated in each of the strips. The germanium produces heat, and the heat relieves pain. Now I'm going to show you a series of far infrared images that demonstrates this heat in the tissues of the body. You'll see a series of images of before and after application of a power strip to the human body. What you should observe is something very interesting. Before the power strip, you'll see images of an arm or a leg, perhaps a back. There's even an image on the face. If you look at the image beforehand, you'll see that the energy of the image looks diminished, lower. But after the power strip is applied, it's clear that the energy, the far infrared energy, coming off the individual is increased. You'll see this as a darker red. This is very important to understand. So you've seen a series of images that clearly demonstrate that there's an increase in the far infrared energy in the tissues of the body. So how does this happen? The germanium that's incorporated in the strip actually reflects far infrared energy into the tissues, which in turn causes an increase in heat. This heat relieves pain. In fact, we have a Class 1 medical device listing with the Food and Drug Administration. This is absolutely unique in the industry. In fact, in all of the reading that I've done, in all the research that I've done, I've never seen anything quite like this.
And I'm like, wow, this product, if it can work that quickly, this is a dream product in the direct sales industry. And I've been looking for a product like this for 20 years in my career, where a product can do this selling for you, and all you have to do is take an envelope and send it to your friends and send samples out and let the product do the work. That is a dream come true in this industry.
I've been in this industry for 17 years. I've looked at different companies with different products, and they've all failed to meet my expectation. They didn't appeal to everyone. What I liked about FG Xpress and the PowerStrips is it appeals to everyone, all the way around the world. If you're in pain, if you have discomfort, you need to try these.
Now, here's what I want to appeal to you. The person who's sharing this technology with you, try this technology. You will be absolutely blown away when you try out this power strip. You absolutely want to share this with everybody that you know. I've started making my list. You just want to tell everybody, because when you get relief, that's the first thing you want to do. Well, actually, the second thing you want to do. The first thing you want to do is you want to join the company. This is an amazing company, FG Xpress, and I just absolutely encourage you to join the company, get on board, try the strips, share with everybody that you know.
Not to mention that it ships anywhere in the world for $5, $5.
This is one of the companies where I've seen, one of the only companies where I've seen that somebody can immediately pay for their products, so they're into the black right away. They're making money right away, which is why we get into this industry.
And this product, again, is all about blessing and helping other people. I mean, what better way to get paid? By helping someone have a better quality of life.
Hi, I'm Ron Williams, and welcome. For over 20 years now, I have worked our industry all over the world, creating abundance and success. In fact, recently I just finished serving as the president of the governing body association that oversees our industry worldwide. And one thing I noticed consistently was how difficult it was to create a global opportunity. In fact, customs, immigration, rules, and regulation every time leaves at least half of the world behind. Well, right now, I'm pleased to announce to you the first time I've been a part of or seen an entire global address system at your fingertips day one. One product, one price, doctor formulated, seamless, patented, just hot off the press. You know, we're going to move money and commodity at record pace. So we know we can't control the global economy, and we have a hard time controlling our homeland economies. But together we can create and control our own economy and build business successfully and residually. Check out FG Xpress. Express yourself.
Thanks to the internet and social networking, we are connected to the world closer than ever before. Your friend who lives in South Africa or India is as close to you as your next door neighbor. Wouldn't it be wonderful if you could own a business that allows you to approach anyone in the world with no borders and no limitations? In the traditional business model, the manufacturer produces the product, then sells to the wholesaler, they spend big money in marketing and advertising, and then you buy from your local store. Everyone is making a profit but you. There's a better way to do business. The manufacturer can sell the products directly to you, thereby cutting out the middleman and paying you for sharing your experience with others. This word of mouth or social advertising is the new way to do business. This new way of doing business is growing like crazy. Almost 50,000 people join every day to create their financial future. Now you have a chance to be part of this first of its kind, worldwide, seamless opportunity. Are you ready? There are many ways to make money, and you can be rewarded by sharing this unique opportunity. First, your monthly business investment is only $60 or $120, which gives you either 1 or 2 product packs to use or share. Let's say you and your friends all choose to purchase $120 worth of product each month. Every time you invite a new friend to join the business, you make $25. So the more people you invite, the more money you can make. With you and your friends now in business, you start working as a team so you can support each other and create wealth together. Everyone will build 2 teams. When you have your first 2 team positions filled, you and others above you can start helping others fill their 2 teams. By doing so, everyone is helping everyone. You receive up to a 12% team bonus each week, depending on how many sales are created in your small team. So, for example, if your small team does $10,000 in sales this week, you will receive $1,200 as your team bonus. Another exciting reward is the 4-level matching bonus. With each person you directly invite and people they invite and so on, you'll have a chance to match their check every week when they receive their team bonus. You can match up to 4 levels with different percentages depending on your personal success. Additionally, the company also wants to reward you when you reach new financial milestones. With FG Xpress, you will have the opportunity to earn cash rewards for every step you take. So there you have it. With only $60 or $120 of product purchased each month, you can build a long-term residual income and be part of the FG Xpress global family. Welcome to FG Xpress. Welcome home. Everyone wants to know the secret behavior to creating wealth in FG Xpress. What is that one thing that everyone does that they can take to the bank? It's the first play in your playbook. It's called the X Tribe, which gives you the X bonus. Remember, you can either purchase 1 pack or 2 packs of product each month. To maximize all income potential, we want to make sure you choose the 2-pack option to start. To review, when each of your friends makes their first purchase, you will receive $25. Your goal is to invite at least 4 people in your first month of business to start forming your X Tribe. An X Tribe is formed with the people you invite and the people they invite. When your X Tribe has a sum total of 1,000 points within 4 weeks, you will receive an X bonus of $200. When X Tribes are duplicated in your downline, you'll receive an additional 12% team bonus every week. Once you've completed your own tribe, continue supporting them in building their own tribe every month, which will ensure you continue receiving your 25% fast start, $200 monthly X Tribe bonus, as well as your 12% team bonus, and don't forget your 100% matching. Soon you will be seeing those cash rewards and be well on your way to your financial freedom. Now that you understand how to create your X Tribe bonus, let's see what would happen if everyone in your organization created their X Tribe too. For this scenario, we'll generally assume that everyone is purchasing the 2-pack option of PowerStrips and maintaining just 4 personal enrollments. We start with you and your 4 people. When they enroll their 4, you'll have a total of 20 people, which can create potential earnings of $320 weekly. When your team duplicates again, you'll have 84 people generating potential earnings of up to $824 per week. Continuing that same model will create 340 people on your next level and potential earnings of $3,248 on a weekly basis. On your next level, you would have 1,364 people creating potential earnings of, get this, $14,442 weekly. Now, as we look down just one more level, you'd have 5,460 people all using PowerStrips and $65,398 per week. Now, this is over $250,000 per month. Imagine if you only hit 10% of this goal, or $25,000 monthly. It's amazing what can be achieved when everyone just does a little. Welcome to FG Xpress. Welcome home.